Hello my friends and welcome to Ukrainian Dance tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you a trick called Kilce, which means ring. This is a challenging trick that requires leg strength and back flexibility. Ideally, you should be able to touch your head with your feet, creating a shape of the ring in the air. Before we begin, make sure to warm up your back properly. Are you ready? Step 1. Warm up. Start in downward dog position from yoga. Do backward kicks 10-15 for each leg. After that, stretch your back gently. Step 2. Jump as high as you can, and with each jump, arc your back more and more. Keep your arms and legs straight, and let your head follow the movement. Step 3. Now bend your knees and try to reach your head with your feet. Don't force it. This depends on your flexibility. Open your left arm to the side and place the other arm in third position, so your chest and face stay open. Step 4. Preparation. Let's add the preparation combination. 1. Plie on the left leg, the other foot placed on the ankle, arms in first position. 2. Straighten your legs and open your arms. 3, 4. Step. 5. Deplie to prepare for the jump. 6, 8. Perform Kilce. Now try the sequence faster, without Kilce, just the preparation.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Step 5. Now combine the preparation with the Kilce trick. I hope you had fun during this tutorial. Subscribe for more and see you next time. Good luck!